gonna get soaked. So I might as well just be completely half naked because I'm
See,
gonna get
even rich people have problems like this
even
too.
rich people.
Doesn't matter where you live.
No.
You live on top of the hill, right?
Yeah.
Right.
I have to do this because I can't get anyone here right this second to fix it. So if I don't do this, pouring when I open this door, and the door is gonna bash open. Ready?
Okay. All ready? Go.
Here it
Oh my. Is it that hard?
It's hard. I can't even do it.
You want me to help you? Yeah, lock the door. Hold on. Okay. Hope little babushka doesn't end up falling out. Look at her. This is too funny. Just to wring it out. Her little dress is gonna go up. Keep on doing it. You're doing a good job.
What?
You're doing a good job. This is happening while the inauguration is going on. I thought Trump was gonna make it better for us. It's better. Your house gotta be freezing. You'd have to take a warm bath.
What?
You have to take a warm bath.
It worked. Okay.
All right.
Oh my god. It's so windy. Oh my god.
Oh, okay,
Oh my
get
god.
it.
So crazy.
Get it. Get it. Whoa, shit. That's
This is
crazy.
all the Trump energy.
Trump
This is all
energy.
that weird,
Wait, lock it.
that strange Trump energy.
He said he was gonna make it.
It's creating weirdness.
Weird.
Oh my god. And that, my friends, is how you do it.
My little buddy.
Yeah, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
Felt
girl.
good.
You did a good job.
Thanks.